How's it going? Welcome back to another video. Just got to Seattle last night, and today a car you guys are familiar with, the GSX, took delivery on this thing, picked it up today. So pretty sweet. I get to have both my cars together. I never thought that the GST and GSX would actually this is paused for some reason, would actually see each other at the same time. So pretty stoked on that, but also something super exciting. For the first time in like 10 years, the GST has got paint. So I got the front fenders painted, front bumper painted. I've got to chop up the whole front bumper and everything because it's pretty much all stock. So I got to cut out the center vent piece, a hole for the side exit, and then put my front lip back on it. And then I'm going to the whole fender, the vent on it, it was all painted green to color match this. So I'm also going to wrap the vent in carbon fiber. So pretty much, oh, and I got to do my aero catch hood pins, which is going to be a little sketchy, but pretty much the last thing this car is really missing is to put the carbon fiber roof on, which I don't know when I'm gonna actually get around to doing that, but hopefully sooner than later. But yeah, so for today, probably gonna get that thing all together, and then if I get time while I'm here, I want to try to make a comparison video of these. So I guess for anybody interested, should I buy a GST, should I buy a GSX, pros, cons, go over both the builds. This one's definitely like an OEM plus. So I've had this one for like 10 years, and I took 10 years of knowledge on this and put it into this in like 1 year. So yeah, pretty basic OEM plus build. This one's a little crazy. Ironically, that has some better parts, this has some better parts, but it's all come together. So yeah. All right, so we got this all laid out. Pretty much I'm gonna put a big old hole right there. I got this sheet of carbon that I'm gonna make an exhaust plate for there. I've got to cut out this whole chunk back here, and then basically I kind of like to cut like this on my bumpers so that this tucks under the intercooler so that it actually helps the bumper fit better. So I'm gonna have to mess with all of that soon. Then I've got some carbon fiber wrap, which I'm gonna do for the center piece right here. So I'm gonna get to that and see if they turn out any good when I'm done. All right, so I got the fenders done. They're on the car. I'm gonna wait to put the bumper on to show you guys. I just wanna, I guess, give some tips on how I like to cut the bumpers. If you get this is gonna be hard with holding the camera, but if you get a new razor blade and a pretty sturdy knife, you kind of stab it in, and then you just put some pressure behind it. It actually cuts the bumper pretty good, so it doesn't like leave debris and shake and all sorts of stuff. So it's pretty easy to just like follow this line. And then I like to cut the bottoms, basically like notch this so that you have this piece to tuck under the intercooler, and it kind of just holds your bumper better. So probably stab in here and then come at this at like a slanted angle, again to match the intercooler. But just a easy tip to cut the bumper. Welcome back. It's the next day. I got the fenders all figured out, put everything put on, got the vents wrapped in carbon. I made my carbon diffuser plate, put the lip on, front bumper's painted. This thing looks pretty crazy. Figured I'd update you with the hood pins is what's going on. So I've cut it out, traced it, and now I gotta drill some big holes in my hood, but it's gonna look like that. So we got a lot of the gang getting ready to go to the track today, but it's how she looks for now. So I'll update you and try to get some cinematics and stuff done maybe when it's all together and clean. All right, car's all back together. We're all cruising out to the event tonight. We're not racing tonight, we're just camping out, and then racing starts tomorrow morning at 10. The front end of this thing came together pretty dang good. I just gave it a quick rinse before we headed out and pretty much air dried it, but my buddy Jarrett killed it. The match is pretty sick. I guess in camera you can kind of tell the difference, but once I polish, cut and buff this, I think it's going to turn out pretty good. But pretty excited. Ended up getting the vents wrapped, and then I got the hood pins installed, so definitely looks a bit sleeker, more aggressive from the front. So I'm gonna end it here tonight for that video, and next one probably gonna compare, yeah, gonna compare the two DSMs together. So see you guys next time.